na.
Okay.
Go. Ay. Sige yan.
Ano man lang.
Rather fail with honor than succeed by fraud. Okay. Ay, sumunod.
April.
April pa yung susunod? March, April, wag. Ah, sige.
Ay,
Uy!
pumaltog si ka.
Just concentrate on being faithful to the truth. Anong connect ng baril sa truth?
May.
Magsabi ka ng totoo.
May.
Ay, pinag-blur. Part of the process. Saludo. Ako ay lalaban.
Marawi.
Masaya mo, the greatness of a man is not in how much wealth he acquires, but in his integrity and his ability to affect those around him positively. Ay, dyan na. Buwan na. Salamat, amahan. Ay.
TikTok.
Si Moy. Si Moy. Ano sabi? Honesty is often very hard. The truth is often painful. The freedom can bring is worth the trying.
TikTok na ba siya maganitata?
Ah, ang cute naman ang ano nila eh. July. Ay. The strength of the team is each and parang mas team pa yung kanina. Mas marami pa. August.
Ay, chicks.
Nakita ko ng tao.
Medyo juwa. Ay, ka. Juwa.
Tsaka nakitaan. Sa parang kimbalik. September? Ay, bata. Success isn't always about greatness. It's about consistency. Consistent hard work leads to success. Greatness will come.
Pwede pa pinusa?
Ay, scripted.
Kasi mo ito mo busik. Share your smile with the si Hana.
Ay, December.
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 Ay,
November.
Kandila. Kandila. Uwan. Ubing.
Uplang tuli.
Saan ka gindi? Kasi mo ba ito?
Tuli.
Knowledge will be before but character. Tuli, respect.
Ano yung December nga?
Kwa, parol.
Parol.
Parol. Christmas. Bye-bye.
Nag-out.
Ikaw ting the bakasyon ni.
December.
Bakasyon.
Thank you so much.
Ay, may client tayo.